You want bubble slow? And you sit down for me, you do this under my nose. Big breast. Yeah, me like grab it though. Suck your nipple like a spit for me, you smoke. Serial killer. Tabi na ya. Uncle Adi there with your auntie do your French Guyana. Sell off. Big up the whole French Guyana. Sahabai. Yeah, man, come on, talez-vous. You know those nice Frenchy things. What you mean? Boom jam promotion. Yeah, man. That's the thing there. Fly private across the ocean. Yeah, well boss in motion. Yeah, man. That's it, man. Canada. Yeah, man, we outside, man. See them just oil me here, you know? Oil me scalp. Don't know, sash up the thing. I don't know. You wanna wait in there now, what ya? The straight vibes are there. Well, I'm not seeing none. I'm not seeing none. Oh. Yeah, man, that's the thing, the man. Yeah. Well, today is a new day. Yeah, man. Where's the gear that seat, huh? You know want it, man. Want it, can't. Wait, but want it, can't get it. Want it, can't get it. You know want it. Yo, I'm not like French Guyana. Yo, big up Giant Eye King. Big him up. Big up Bambi. See me I say, yeah man, her skin clean. And she not use no ambi. You hear that? Yeah man, the whole French Guyana, big up GT, big up on yourself, see me, because you fly from far and drive from far to come represent. Big up Suriname. Big TJ, stretch your people, them see your hand. See dog on the people. Alright, look come on. Can't say, I'm not making to see dog on. Yeah, man, I want TJ, man, I'm a brother, Team Grinch. Big up Scatter, Jason, Harvey. Big up Lenimatic in the right here, so. Yeah. Yeah, man, that's the thing there, man. We're outside, man. 29th of August in Brooklyn. Yeah, man, Barclays comes alive, a history again. I remember we sell it out twice. And the people, them say a third time would be nice. Them want to hear my voice, them want to see Spice. You know what I mean there? Yeah, man, that's the thing there, man. Outside. Whole French Guyana, whole Suriname. Can't live out Suriname too. You see me? Fun fact, Suriname is also Dutch Guyana. A 3 Guyana lineup. 3 Guyana join up. Remember there? Cartel lyrics. Let the girl them wind up. Yeah. Right, there's a big up Shatta Wally, yeah man. You don't know, me see Ghana people them. You know that big up Kenya forever. You see me? Yeah man. Kenya Wagwan. I need to come home. I deal it. But yeah, we are talking about right now. Brooklyn, 29th. Brooklyn, 29th of August. Vybz Kartel in concert again for the 3rd time. You see what I say? Yeah man, different catalog of music again. Different track list. See what I say? Yeah man, one girl them forward out from Shirley. Yeah, I mean like grab it do. So your nipple like a spit for me a smoke. Serial killer. Tabi na your throat. Uncle Laddie there with your antidote. Hope when you get there with your can hope. If you're slippery when you wet me bring whoop. Right there so. Roll out ladies. No man, that screen I move too fast, dog. Hold on, let's try to slow down. Bomb, how this work? I'm there prison too long, you know how this man? No, but I'm low it, you know. Low it, blood clot. Someone said, I love you too, baby. Dominica Film Festival, Yembo Film Festival, Dominica Festival, I got sick. Yeah, man, teacher forward, man, don't worry about it, man. World boss in the building, man. You hear that? I know my voice still was from French Guyana. Yeah, man, people them go hard, man, you hear that? Yeah, man. Georgetown, Guyana, I feel we roam this. Straight vibes. Yes. Honduras. Yeah, big up my Honduran friend, them and family. You hear that? Yeah, man, that's right, them, man. Nicaragua as well. Big up Nicaragua. Yeah, mean, and big up my realtor, SP. She's Nicaraguan. Yeah, man, big up the whole Nicaragua. Beautiful beaches, you know. Agua. Big up the capital, Managua. Big up my capital, Galania. Costa Rica, yeah, man. Big up Costa Rica. Yeah, man. I don't know how I'm going, you know, but I'm ready in Costa Rica. Costa Rica, remember, I get my money already, you know. Ready, you know. I promote me, I wait for in Costa Rica. Tell him, say, hurry up, man. Rapido, rapido. Yeah, man. Costa Rica, I'm ready. Canada. Don't worry about, man. God is the greatest, man. See it, man. Canada, God is the greatest, man. God on time, you know. Yeah, man, no worry, Canada, man. See it, yeah, man, activity, man. Big up popcorn. Don't know, one fry eye. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. St. Lucia. We go St. Lucia? We not go St. Lucia yet, Lenny, man. No. From the year start, no. St. Lucia, expect me. Yeah, St. Vincent, big up on yourself as always, man. Big up the Prime Minister, Mr. Ralph Gonsalves. Yeah, man. Big up Candyman, see me. You hear that? The whole St. Vincent, Vinci Crow, maximum respect. Yo, St. Kitts. St. Kitts, I miss you, man. St. Kitts, I miss you guys. Yo, St. Kitts. Yeah, one thing, you know. One thing, you see Caribbean, see my people, them. Yo, them lit. Yeah, man, big up the whole Caribbean, man. You hear that? Nah, like St. Kitts, Barbados, Domatic, Bahamas, Tortola, Guyana, you see me? Trinidad. Yeah, man, big up the whole Trinidad except the promoter. Born me, see, man. Yeah, man. Big up Guadeloupe. Big up Guada. Yeah, man, Martinique. Saint Martin, the French side and the Dutch side. You hear that? Yeah, man, and big up French Guyana, big up Suriname, big up GT. You see me? Love letter to me money. Yeah, man, Kenya outside, man. Don't tell you, you know, Kenya forever, man. From them see me, them see Kenya, you know. Yeah, man, from them see me, them see all of Nairobi. See it there? Pharaoh in town, Bob, lad. Yeah, that one, that tough. Yeah, man, that tough. I would have to blow. Oh, why? You see somebody say answer now. But the thing them I move too fast, yo. The thing them I go up too fast. Remember me and them not good like one time, you know, daddy. How for kitten that? I hope one cat to send that kitten there, you know. Gambia, let me see. Big up Gambia. Grenada. Zurich. Yeah, man. Lake Spen. Yeah, man. Big up Belize, man. I talk about, man. Long time I not got Belize too, you know. But, yeah, man. Belize, what go on? Big up on yourself. Big up 80, sac passé. Rose pose. Yeah, man. Somalia in the building. Big up on yourself. Yeah, man. Plane land, make the plane land. You don't know that. Delacree, 2 Mile. Yeah man, right, there's someone hear that. Greenwich Farm, Rosetown, Max Seal, Waltham. Yeah man. But here people, me I tell you now. Barclays, I got sick. Believe me, 29th of August, Labor Day weekend. So me I say, yeah man. Make sure you're there. Especially the ladies. Keep up by your door. Make your position active. Yeah, I mean like grab it door. Monster, big up yourself. Yeah man, the whole mobile man, Amsterdam. Yeah, Amsterdam did sick with there. Yeah man, Amsterdam lit man. Amsterdam like they make lighter, you know, them lit. Yeah. Brooklyn outside, my son now, what that? De La Vega. Yeah man. 29th of August people. Believe me. Barclays comes alive. No joke night. Them a move too fast. Uganda in the building, Gambia. Yeah man, that's the thing the man. Yeah man, outside. Guinea-Bissau, big up Guinea-Bissau. And big them up now. What that Mauritania? Yeah, big up Antigua. Big up Antigua. You must see where I go and buy now. I'll be there soon. That's a 40. Antigua, I don't know where I go and I'll be there soon. Dominica, I don't know where I go on. London, sell out. O2 Arena, sell out. For the 4th of September. And it sell out for the 5th. Yeah man, I want to dance all artists do that in history man. Black to black, you see me? Yeah, God is the greatest. Yeah, where I come to do. Well, a good vibes with the London crowd, you see me? Yeah, and then you know, we go London, I think, Manchester, Malta, then we forward back to Birmingham. So yeah, we're there Europe for a minute in September, you see me? Yeah man, that's the thing there. Yeah man, but O2 Arena sell out black to black like Barclays man. Remember the arena shell, you know man, I stadium sell. I remember I King for dance hall, you know. Remember, you know. Oh. Too easy. So big up the whole London, you see me, Brixton, you don't know. Cole Harbour Lane, Acre Lane, you don't know. Summer Leighton, big up Peckham. Yeah man, the whole place man, Tottenham, Shepherd Bush, you name it man, you hear that? We're outside in London the 4th and the 5th. Voilà. Sweden. Yeah man. Pretty like the Garden of Eden. Yeah me I say. Yeah man, big up the girl them nipple, baby feeding. Yeah man, Malta outside man, Malta sell off to man, quick and fast man. 2 nights of London, 2 nights of Malta and then right back in England again. Yeah man, so September to remember, you see me? Yeah man, God is the greatest. And himself will bring the joy and spread it to the world, you see me? Spread dancehall to the world again. Yeah, enough greats did it before, you know. Kartel doing it now. Yeah, big up the legend them. Yes, new king in town. Yeah. I'm away outside man, you hear that? Yeah, big up my daddy Bounty Killer. Big up Buju Bantan. Yeah, Ninja man. Shabarangs, Super Cat is a lot. Yeah, man. Girl Boss is here now. Yeah. 29th of August. 29th of August. 29th of August. Barclays. Make sure you're there. Yeah. What is under me noise?